Okay, next we want to talk about our tip of the week. This week we're going to just give you another example for a schedule, which is tracking recycled materials for LEED. So this is another area where what we want to do is to create materials that have a prefix to them. That way we can track that prefix as part of the schedules when we set it up. So for example, if you've got specific types of recycled content that you're using as materials and resources that you want to track for LEED certification, then what you can do is take and place an MR in front of any materials that are specifically for recycled materials that can be used for the materials and resources certification level of LEED. And so by doing that, when we then go into our scheme settings for setting up schedules, we can go in and create first a schedule called recycled materials wall surface calculation. And then what we want to track is we want to track walls. So we're going to add in element type is a wall, and it is going to be an outside surface of MR with EIFS or an inside face surface with MR and recycled content gypsum board. So in other words, we're going to track those particular material resources or recycled materials for this particular schedule. We could add additional ones if we wanted to, but those are two out of our list of certain recycled materials we want to list here. Once we have that criteria set, we now want to set our fields. In this case, our field is going to be the hot link or element ID. It's going to be quantity, outside face surface, and surface area. And of course, you could also add the inside face surface as well. In this case, we've set that. And now we have our outside face surface. We have our inside face surface. And we have now what the total is going to be for our recycled materials. And then, of course, you can set that by what the total square footage of surface materials would be to give you a percentage. And that is our tip of the week.